Hello, Team Healthy. I'm so happy today to be sharing with you 3 tea recipes that can help you survive this cold season. And it is very much expected that during the cold season and during winter, most of us come down with a lot of flu, cold, and respiratory conditions that can really make our day, throughout the day really difficult with all the stuffiness and congestions. So these 3 recipes that are made with natural herbs, plants, and fruits can really help you with all those symptoms and help you feeling your day so much better. The first fruit we're going to be using today are oranges. Oranges are high in vitamin C and they help to build our immune system, and then our immune system helps to fight off respiratory infections. So this is one great ingredient as part of our tea. Okay, you can use tangerines and oranges, and then we're going to be putting that in our kettle. The next ingredient will be, who can guess? Cloves. Now, cloves are amazing because they're anti-inflammatory and they also help to suppress cough. Okay, and also not just that, it helps to promote a healthy gut. So this, with all these amazing benefits in a tea, your stomach is feeling great, your throat is feeling great, and it helps you start your day so much better. And you know that cloves has a pepperish tinge to it. If you're one of those that eat cloves raw like me, you would know that it has a pepperish tinge to it. So this is amazing. And the next one will be cinnamon. Cinnamon is amazing. It is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and it is a cough expectorant. Okay, it helps to cough out and loosen those thick mucus and phlegm and help us to expectorate it easily. Now, this tea, I highly recommend it because not just the benefit it gives to you in your body, when you're boiling this tea, it gives your house this amazing fragrance and it smells so nice. Guys, my name is Avon and this is Avon and Lifestyle. Please subscribe to my channel, share, and leave a comment below and I'll be sure to respond. So we're going to boil this for about 3 to 5 minutes. I started with low heat and then I graduated to medium and high heat just because I'm using a glass kettle. Okay, if you have a normal kettle and you're not scared of breaking it, just boil it straight up with on high heat. And then we're going to be serving this and of course drinking it warm because heat helps with vessel dilation and helps to bring all those white blood cells that we need to help fight off infection. Amazing. So the next fruit will be lemons. Amazing. Lemons also are packed with vitamin C. And guess what? They're a powerful antiviral fruit and it helps to relieve symptoms like sore throat and respiratory infections. The next fruit I love so much, if you've been following me, you know that I love pineapples because it contains bromelain. Okay, bromelain is a compound which is highly beneficial to a lot of allergic respiratory conditions like asthma. Okay, bromelain helps to break up and expel mucus and it also reduces nasal congestions. That is very common with cold, flu, and a lot of other respiratory conditions. And it is also antiviral as a bonus, okay? So the next thing is garlic. If you've been following me as well, you know that I love garlic. And remember the 10-minute rule about garlic. Once you take the peel out of the garlic, make sure you leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes because it helps to activate the compound called allicin in garlic, which makes it even more potent because it gives it enough time for the allicin component to mature, and so thereby you'll be able to make the best use and benefit fully from your garlic. Garlic is also beneficial to the lungs. It protects the lungs from free radicals in the air that we breathe in, and that can just help us protect our lungs from damage. this is amazing. I'm so excited to be sharing these recipes with you guys. Is it not so amazing that all these ingredients are just found in your kitchen, and you can just combine them in your kettle, and in the morning, and just drink. And you can even store some of them, like the pineapple peels. I have them in my freezer, so I just bring out one strip and I chop them and I just drink them as tea. Okay, you'll be shocked how much sugar is packed in a lot of these store-bought teas that are sold in the grocery store. They tell you some of them are ginger tea or turmeric tea or pineapple tea, but they're very high in sugar, and you can't really vouch for what you're taking in compared to homemade, and exactly the quantity of fruits and herbs that you're taking in, and the quality, of course, of what you're taking in. So now that we're done with this, John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. Amen. Our next recipe will be with gingers. Now, ginger and turmeric have great anti-inflammatory properties. I believe they belong to the same family, and so we'll be using gingers and turmeric, okay? And we'll be also using black peppers. Now, did you know that black pepper aids postpartum healing and recovery? Amazing. And next, we're going to be using some turmeric, like I said earlier. If you want to know how I made this homemade turmeric powder, the link will be down below in the comment section. And we're going to be using half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So with ginger, and ginger contains gingerol, which is the active component responsible for its amazing benefits, and curcumin, present in turmeric, which is also the enzyme or the compound responsible for the amazing benefits in turmeric. Now, we added black pepper in this tea because black pepper helps the absorption of curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, okay? It increases the bioavailability. This is amazing. So this tea I highly recommend, especially if you feel a lot of pains and inflammatory symptoms. So this is the last. I'm so happy that I could share these 3 recipes with you guys today. If this video has blessed you in any way, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will surely appreciate that, okay? Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye-bye.